Okay, so for tonight's event, diba, it's very exciting and very informative. This is what's one of the parts of missing sa mga lessons nyo. Dahil inuna ko muna na matutunan nyo probably yung technique. Then eventually, matutunan nyo yung mga susunod na mga lessons. Kasi the way I teach is, para siyang puzzle, diba, na isa-isa. So, dahan-dahan, nakikita niyo yung big picture. Magugulat na lang kayo mga a few days from now, a weeks from now. Matatawa ka lang sa sarili mo. Ba't ba ako tanong-tanong kay Sir Yuri? Ngayon, naiintindihan ko na siya. Dali naman. Diba? Siyempre, pag una nagugulat ka, ano ba to? Wala na ako naiintindihan. Sakit sa ulo. Tapos di pa ako nagbabasa ng lessons. Sa forum, if you frequent the forum, ang daming lessons dun, guys. I mean, ang dami. Tas, daming videos, pati videos sa mga Manila group. Pwede yung panoorin. Di ba? You would learn din. Diba? So tonight, we'll be discussing two important things. Mind of a trader and money management. Which is very, very important. And most traders fail because they fail to study how to manage their money. Remember, we are in a financial market business. So, you must know how to handle your finances, especially. And of course, your mind. Yeah. Mamakikita mo yung bakit. Maraming mga traders kasi nakafocus sa techniques. Lalo na kayo, mga amateurs, mga newbies, lagi naghahanap technique. Dumating ako sa ganyan. Dami kong technique, sobra. Diba? I could fill this room up with a lot of books and techniques. But I then realized that it's not about the technique. And it's not so much about, it's more on the mind of a trader and money management. Forex trading is 70% what? 20% money management and sabihin mo sa katabi mo, friend, 10% technique. Ha? Kung hindi pa ma-master yung technique na simple, di ba, 10% lang yan. 70% to psychology, 20% to money management. Kasi kala ng mga traders na amateurs, it's about technique. Pero remember, we're in the financial world, financial business. You must learn how to manage your money and your emotions. That's why not a lot of people are excelling in this kind of business because not a lot of people are into the psychology part and the money management part. Most amateurs, they focus the techniques. Diba? That's why nahihirapan sila. Now, tonight, by the end of this presentation, you'll be able to realize na, uy, it's about psychology pala, it's about money management. Diba? For me to succeed. Kasi din, dumadin ako sa inyo, guys, may tingin sa YouTube ng technique, sa Google, sa Facebook, naghahanap ng mga ibang groups doon na pwede makatulong. Lalo na ako naguluhan. Di ba? And then na-realize ko, ba't ganun? For example, sa pagyaman, meron ako mga friends dati sinasabi nila, magandang business, real estate. So, puro real estate sila. Iba naman sinasabi nila, magandang business, poultry. So, puro poultry sila. Iba naman sinasabi nila, business, ang maganda, manufacturing. Iba naman sinasabi, magandang business, car sales. Ito nakakatawa. Each and every person na nakausap ko, lahat sila, pare-pare sila successful sa given fields. Wala naman best na technique, walang best na product, walang best na industry. Kala ko dati na I need to find the holy grail for me to become successful in currency trading. I realized that the holy grail was me, my discipline, my mindset, my money management, my proper execution of my trades. Napanood yan yung Kung Fu Panda? Diba yung scroll? Kala niya, yun na yung superpower technique. Kailangan magkaroon ng access sa elite level. Pagkakuha niya gano'n, no? Pagkakuha niya na scroll, shrink, yeah! Wala pala. Wala laman. Maski tanongin niya mga nasa elite, anong laman yan? Wala! Message sila, hindi ano laman yan, wala. Diba? Eh, bakit sinabi? Hindi na lang na-excite. May laman yan, pero hindi ganun ka, wow, hindi ganun. Diba? So, it's more on yourself. There's no holy grail in business, in success, in being a successful person or a successful businessman. The holy grail is you. For example, sa school din, wala naman secret technique para pumasa. Anong technique para pumasa sa school? Mag-aral. Umangopya. Mag-aral. Umangopya. Diba? Kung may kaibigan ka matalino, tumabi ka. Diba? Pero ibig sabihin, wala naman secret na technique na, diba? Punta ka sa library, technique dito para pumasa sa algebra. Diba? Wala. You have to study, put in the time, the discipline, diba? The proper mindset for you to succeed in class. Sa business, ganun din. If quitter ka, diba, you won't succeed. So, you have to realize Forex trading 70% psychology. That's why we don't trade through emotions. Yung tipong, uy, umakyat, buy! Diba? Bigla ka pindot. Ay, naiwan na ba't pang-reverse? Oh my God! Diba? O kaya bumaba, bigla ka nag-sell. Yun, emotions yun. Diba? And the way you trade is a reflection of who you are. Which means, ibig sabihin sa buhay, masyado kang reactive pag ganun ka mag-trade. Halimbawa, nakita mong umakyat, biglang pumindot kang buy, sa buhay ganoon din. Which means, halimbawa, naglalakad ka, may narinig ka nag-aaway, titingin ka doon, tapos makikigulo ka rin. Di ba? Masyado ka reactive. Yung character mo is a reflection of who you are sa trading. Di ba? Kaya pag halimbawa, relax ka rin execution mo sa trades mo. Di ba? Kasi kaya ka nang relax kasi napag-aralan proper lesson and of course, nakapag-practice ka ng ilang minutes o ilang hours a day or nabasa mo yung, nakita mo yung mga friends o paano sila mag-trade sa group mo. Diba? You gain confidence. So remember, 70% psychology. Meron nga akong friend dati sabi niya, alam mo ba, ang pinaka number 1 na dangerous job in the world? Stressful pala. Number 1 is, pwede kayo? Stressful job in the world, number 1. Ha?
Sales.
Yeah. Bomb Diffusement Agency. Hindi ka ba stress? Hindi nibis ka ba? Right na. Di ba? Kahit may protection ka, o ikaw, bigyan kita ng na protection, tapos ikaw mag-diffuse. Number 3 daw na stressful trading. Number 2, diffusing the bomb with your family. Number 3, trading. Dahil nga, not a lot of people could handle their emotions properly. Especially yung market kasi, when it comes to money, people are sensitive. Diba? They get carried away with their emotions kasi money is very powerful. Diba? It could make or break you. Diba? You have some friends who made some money, biglang ibabang, or iba naman, nagbago yung character, nagkaroon ng money, and magnifies who you are. That's why most of my talks and training focuses much on psychology, not so much on the techniques. Kasi yung techniques given lang It just takes time or experience Diba? But yung psychology, yung character development, yun medyo matagal. Kasi for example, for 21 years, wala ka nang ginawa. Alam ba, 21 years old ka na ngayon, di ba? O 22. Eh kung from 21 years old pa atras, naging habit mo na nagtutoothbrush ka with your right hand. And then what is sinabi ko, from this on, 22 forward, you'll just be using your left hand. Can you do that? Di ba? Parang, yun, sugat-sugat ka pa, hirap. Di ba? Pag yung habit na form, like halimbawa, meron kang bad habit. Bad habit like irritation or saying bad words. For example, you've been doing it for 20 years, then pagsasabihin mo, New Year's resolution ko, this 22, hindi na ako magba-bad words, or I won't say, I won't get irritated, or I'll always be patient. It wouldn't happen. It's because matagal mo na ginagawa yun, yung habit, it takes some time bago ka ma-release dun. Parang relationship. Pwede mo sabihin, break na tayo. Ha? Hindi pwede. Di ba? Matagal na tayo. Di ba? Kailangan, it takes some time. Character, psychology. Techniques, madali lang Di ba? Money, madali lang din. Pero yung mindset mo, yung emotions mo to govern it, hirap. I always say sa mga, kasi meron akong non-profit organization, Project Pilipinas.
you could like it on Facebook. I give talks to the youth para encourage sila to live a good life, better life, and strive to become better persons. Isa sa mga sinasabi ko na yung society natin hindi nagbago. Alam niyo ba yun? I mean, look for example, society. Ang daming matatalinong tao. Dati wala naman tayong mga roads, di ba? Probinsya lang dati yung mga lugar natin. Walang mga roads. Puro putik, daan. Walang mall, walang kuryente, kandila lang. Walang cellphone. Di ba? Walang telephone, walang computers. But dahil yung tao matatalino, di ba? They were able to build bridges. They were able to build planes. They were able to invent gadgets. They were able to build light. They were able to build electricity. Sobrang talino nila. Now, you could even cure AIDS. You could cure cancer. But, sobrang talino nila, they still have no cure for irritation, for depression, for loneliness, for hate, for anger. Nakakatawa, di ba? Sobrang talino ng tao, still, they couldn't solve the mystery of loneliness, depression, anger, hate, irritation. Because they're more focused on techniques. Education, that's technique. Diba? Technology, that's technique. Science is technique. Psychology, it's not part of technique. It's 70%. Are you guys learning? Yes. That's why it's very crucial for a person or a trader especially to govern himself, his character, to become a better person. Because whenever you trade, ito mapapansin nyo, the better your trades become, the better the person you become too. Kasi lalong nagre-reflect din yung may character mo dun sa trades mo eh. Diba? So, ganun siya. So, mind of a trader basically means have 100% responsibility with taking that trade. Trading is not a team sport. Hindi yung tipong mag-chat-chat kayo, babay ka, sell. Hindi, pilit ko, buy yan. Umakit na yun. No, it doesn't work that way. You could have a group and discuss the lessons, diba, as a group, but the moment you click that button, make sure you have to be 100% responsible for that trade. Because that is your money, it's not the group's money. Diba? At least, syempre, nag-open kayo live account, hati-hati kayo. Diba, buy ka ba? Buy. Buy tayo lahat. Diba? So, kayo lahat lost. Kasi, group money naman yun. Pero pag yung group money, personal money mo, you have to be 100% responsible. Why? Because as traders, you have to develop that confidence within you. Hindi pwedeng like ka umaasa sa group or sa akin for analysis. Diba? As traders, you have to learn how to drive your own car. Hindi naman laging dapat may driver ka, bati may emergency, wala yung driver mo. Wala yung taga-drive sa'yo. Paano ka na? Diba? Isa sa mga katangian ng successful people all over the world, billionaires, millionaires, or presidents or leaders, is yung tinatawag na ng self-sufficiency. Which is they don't rely on the government for their income, money. They don't rely on the doctors for their health. Diba? They take care of their body, they eat properly, and of course, same as money. Ganun din, you have to be self-sufficient. Kasi pag hindi self-sufficient tao, yun, naging independent. Either sa government, sa SSS, sa kapatid, sa tatay, sa nanay, sa kapitbahay, di ba? Sa groupmates. Di ba? So, you have to, spend some time in studying the lessons, watching the videos, di ba? Basta may internet ka repeat mo. Ka na nga eh. Lagi mo na ako maririnig eh. Boses. Lagi mo na ako maalala si Sir Yuri. Diba? Wala pa rin ako naintindihan, Sir Yuri. Okay lang yan. So, losing some money to the market is actually beneficial. What? Beneficial? Yes, it teaches you very important lessons. What is damaging is the fear of losing money. If you're the type of person na ayaw mo matalo, huwag ka na mag-trade. Mag-business ka na lang, yung kontrolado mo pa. Or mag-sales ka, yung kontrolado mo pa. Diba? Pero sa trading kasi, it's part of the game for you to lose money. Diba? And you have to accept it. Diba? Na, may times na matatalo ako, but alam ko naman ang risk to reward ratio ko lagi, 1-3, na on my 4th trade, I could still break even. Diba? Ganun. $1 million tips. Do the hard thing. Which is, first, don't listen to other people when you're trading. Never ever let your opinion get in the way of your rules. Opinion comes from your emotion. Even if may rules na nakaset na, DC to DC, but dahil nga may opinion ka, may sarili kang puro-puro, dahil professional ka na siguro trader, uy, babay na ako, umakit eh. That's how I feel, umakit. Walang stop loss. Basta akit. Tapos close ko na lang pag positive. Diba? Next, follow your trading rules religiously, even if you lose. And don't get depressed about it. Do not get depressed about it. Pagka madidepress kahit natalo ka. Pwede ba yun? Eh, normal lang ma-depress Says who? Says ng parents mo, says ng church, says ng government, says ng mga TV na napapanood mo. Sa society, pag sinabing normal magalit, pag inadapt mo yung programming na yun, magagalit ka lagi. Normal magalit eh. Ayun yung programming mo. Diba? May friend ako noon, nagdadrive kami malapit sa ABS-CBN. Nagdadrive ako noon. May nag-cut sa akin sa sakyan. Tapos siya, sinabi. Tapos ako, lang. Ba't di ka nagagalit? Kinat ka eh. Sabi ko, sayang time. Nang magagalit, sabi ko. May blood pa ako, di ba? Masira pa araw ko, di ba? Diba, hospital ako dahil nagalit ako. Di ba? Hayaan ko ba ibang tao mag-dictate ng aking nararamdaman? Diba? Sabi ko, siguro lumaki ka sa isang environment na sa inyo normal magalit pag kinakat ng sakyan. Ako hindi. Hindi ko inadapin ganung programming. Mga friends ko ganun, pero sa tingin ko, it's not right. So, ba't kailangan ko manggayahin lahat ng ginagawa nila? I could think for myself. Sabi ko sa kanya. Not because everybody is doing it, it's right. Nagulot siya sa akin. Anong church mo? Yan, siya ka ba? Simple lang yun, sabi ko. Diba? Simpleng logic lang yun, diba? I always say na nobody has ever offended you in any way. Nobody has ever hurt you. Alam niyo ba yun? Nobody has broken their promise. Alam niyo ba yun? Sino dito na-experience na offend? Taas kamay. Na-offend. Na-offend. Any offend. May nalit yung kaibigan mo, or merong business deal na hindi nag-push through, o may nag-promise sa'yo, tapos binigay niya promise niya, or basta lang, hindi mo na gusto sinabi, na-offend ka dun sa person. Alam niyo ba wala, nobody has ever offended you? Alam niyo ba yan? It was your programming, your conditioning, how you were brought up. If nakikita mo yung parents mo na offend, you will adapt those same things, same belief. Pag nakikita mo yung mga kaibigan mo na offend, you will also adapt those things because we are social creatures. It is proven by science na meron tayong tinatawag na mirror neurons. Mirror neurons basically means kung ano yung nakikita mo sa labas, ina-adapt ng body mo. That's why, di ba sabi, mag-ingat pag may mga bata, pag nagsasalita, kasi ginagaya nila. So, lahat ng bagay na nakakainis, na na-encounter mo sa buhay mo, malungkot o nakaka-offend, the reason for that is because of your programming, how you were brought up. So, which means, if your perception to certain things, for example, meron dito, meron akong, ito perfect example, may friend ako from Russia, nagpunta dito, papaturo sa akin on how to meditate. Punta kami sa hotel niya, pagdating sa hotel, naglabas siya ng mga drinks. Ang dami! Merong vodka, merong cerveza negreta, may puntador, may Jack Daniel. Pagkwentuhan kami. Tapos, tinagayin niya ako. Diba? Dalawa lang kami. Tapos, yung umiinom na siya, ako hindi ko ginagalaw yung drink ko. Nakikipag-toast. Dalawa lang kami, di ba? Di ba? Ang hirap nun, di ba? Tapos, toast naman, tapos binaba ko. Tapos binaba niya yung baso niya. Sabi niya, you know what? It's impolite if you don't drink. Tapos, in our culture, sabi niya, when somebody offers you a drink, you must drink it. Tapos, nakasmile lang ako. Sabi ko, oh, in your culture, sabi ko sa kanya, in our culture, when you drink, it's illegal. What?
What? Nagulat siya. Nagulat siya, di ba? No, I'm just kidding, sabi ko. I just don't drink, man. Sabi ko. Okay. Sabi niya. So, basically, kaya siya na-offend. Dahil na-program siya sa culture niya sa Russia na when somebody offers you a drink tapos hindi tinanggap, bastos ka. Ayun yung program sa kanya. Sa atin, hindi naman. Di ba? Ayaw mo lang. Di ba? So, nakikita niyo yung perception, yung programming culture ng mga tao. That's why ang dami nag-aaway-away, ang daming nagkakaroon ng misunderstandings because of this kinds of cultural conditioning. Diba? And of course, kaya mga tao dinihirap mag-trace dahil doon sa conditioning ngayon nakuha nila growing up. Now, why ko lagi sinasabi na you have to study the lessons, di ba? Yung mga nasa DCVB, the videos doon, mga lessons, and share part. Basically, focus. Focus means follow one course until successful. Diba? Just like yung magnifying glass. Pag yung magnifying glass, tapos meron kang paper, tinapat mo sa sun, and hindi mo ginalaw yung paper na yun, what will happen? Basag yung paper. If tinapat mo yung magnifying glass dun sa lessons na yun sa what part of this, dun sa forum natin. Eh kung nakatapat sa Facebook, nakatapat sa ka-chat mo, nakatapat dun sa ka-text mo, di ba? Sa iba't ibang mga websites, paano mo matututunan yung lessons? Paano mo ma-master? Hindi, sasabihin wala pa lang tutunan sa Yuri. Di ba? Are you guys learning?
Yes.
This is a piece of paper and a lot of people are nababaliw, nabubuwang ba sa pera. Diba? Remember na hindi mo naman dadalhin yan eh. Sa taas. You're just here, kaya ka nag-aaral ng currency trading because you also would like to support yourself with this kind of avenue of trading, which is mas madali compared sa ginagawa ng iba. Diba? Mas madali ba? Mas mahirap. Diba? And not because na kumikita ka, it's not something that you should be proud of, diba? Na pagyayabang mo sa mga friends mo. Duman din ako sa ganito eh. Na ganitong face, yung lahat kayo nagtatrabaho ako, hindi. Yung ganun, diba? Trader ako, lagay ko sa Facebook. Forex trader. Update ko na. Okay. Diba? Yun, kasi nga, yung money, minamagnify ka niya na, diba? Nakakalasing. Kaya, diba yung power nakaka-corrupt, sabi nila. Ganun, same as money. Kaya if you're not careful, diba, magiging mayaman ka, pero sobrang ring dami mong kaaway. Sobrang ayaw ka nakasama. Diba? You have to learn that we always encourage character over skill. Yung character mo sa person. Kahit hindi ka na matuto mag-trade eh. Diba? Pero yung ano ba ililib mong legacy sa anak mo? Diba? Sa family mo, sa friends mo. Diba? Gusto ba nila yung tipo? Eto, merong experiment dati, tinanong yung mga tao, anong gusto mong maalala sa'yo pag namatay ka? Yung pera mo? O yung mga mahal mo sa buhay, kung anong ginawa mo sa kanila? It's always about you. It's not about the money. Money is just the result of being prudent and disciplined with the way you trade. Diba? And you manage your money. Success is attracted to people who are attractive. I mean, yung attractive yung personality nila in a way na wala silang natatapakan ng ibang tao. Diba? Lahat sila, they always strive to become better persons and better individuals in dealing with each and every person na encounter nila. It's character over skill. Marami ako na-encounter na ganito na yung kumita sa trading dahil ang bilis na kitaan tapos nag-iba. Diba? Lalo na pag na-master mo na to. Diba? Kaya napaka-important pa rin na you have to take care of yourself. Always remember na ito, very basic tip na sinasabi ko sa mga students ko na whenever you're talking to your friends, whenever you're talking to your family, or anybody na na-encounter niya every day, always imagine you as if you're talking to Jesus Christ. How would you talk? Diba? How would you respond to them? How would you deal with them if kaharap mo si Jesus Christ? Diba? Maybe differently. Diba? Siguro yung pag-text mo, mas mabait na, hi, Jesus, ay, Mark, gano'n ka, diba?
Ganun lang kasimple. Di ba? Money only magnifies who you are, sabi ni Robert Kiyosaki. If you are a happy person, more money will make you happier. If you are an unhappy person, more money will make you miserable. Kailan si Robert Kiyosaki? Yes. Research mo siya, marami na siyang nasulat na books. Marami siya natulungan na tao actually. Dahil sa kanya, nag-research ako sa money, sa pera. May college kami, sumikat yung Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Yung about, yung kwento ng dalawang dad. Yung isa poor dad, limited mag-isip. Tapos isa naman, unlimited mag-isip. Yung rich dad, laging prosperity. Yung maman. So, it's not about making money. It's about following the what? The rules. Doctors, lawyers, and professionals spend years studying their craft to land a 6-digit income job. Don't expect to be rich in 3 months. Sino dito gusto yung maman 3 months? Ask kamay. Diba? So, simple lang, diba? Nag-class tayo, I think 3 session class na rin eh. 3 sessions class na rin, it's not enough for you to gain experience. But the lessons is enough for you to, the time frame na given is enough for the lessons to be discussed. But the experience is not enough. Eh, hindi ko alam nga na, diba? Paano ko bibigay yung experience ko sa inyo, diba? Injection na lang. And of course, yung lessons natin, uploaded lahat ng videos, lahat ng materials online. But yung experience, of course, it's up to you. You have to ride that bike every day. Diba? You have to swim that swimming pool every day para matuto ka lumangoy. You have to play basketball every day para gumaling ka. Diba? Si Efren Batares, kilala nyo? Diba natutulog na daw siya sa bilyaran? Si Manny Pacquiao, natutulog na rin siya sa loob ng ring para lang gumaling sa pagbaboxing. Ikaw, natutulog ka ba sa laptop? Kaka-Facebook. Diba? Yung mga successful traders na kilala ko, maski ako, there were times na natutulog lang dito sa laptop, backtesting. Diba, bakit to, ba't na-hit stop loss ko? Ba't nag-take profit? Diba, ba't ako natalo? Ano ba mali ko? Tapos until na kakasulat mo, kaka-notes mo sa journal mo, nakatulog ka na. If hindi pa kayo dumating sa level na yun, I doubt it if mag-succeed kayo. Now, you have to put in the time as if your life depends on it. Alam mo yung feeling na may exam ka the next day, ang ginawa mo? Overnight, di ba? Tapos sa trading, nag-overnight ka ba? Overnight, chika-chika siguro, di ba? Pero overnight studying the lessons, watching the videos 10 times, 3 times, 5 times a day. Have you done it? Di ba? Then you expect, I need to be rich this year, di ba? Did you put in the time, the action to generate result? Sabi nga nila, kapag meron ka tinanim, meron ka anihin. Eh kung wala ka tinatanim, tapos hindi mo pa nilalagyan ng tubig. Alam niyo ba yung story ng Moso Bamboo? Alam niyo yung Moso Bamboo? Yung Moso Bamboo is isang Japanese bamboo na pag halimbawa, tinanim mo siya, and you water it every day for 1 year, walang mangyayari. Hindi man lang gagawin. Walang lalabas na leaf or branch. 1 year, wala. After 2 years, kahit everyday mo siyang minawater with the sun, lagay mo fertilizer, abono, di ba? Lagay mo baboy. Lagay ng baboy. joke lang. Hindi pa rin tutubo. On the 3rd year, water mo pa rin, wala pa din. Di ba? Ayoko na, wala na yata ito, di ba? Wala na mangyayari, maghanap na ako ibang forex. Google. Meron dito. Di ba? Ganun na. The 4th year, ganun din. Water mo yon, diba? Take care of it. Still, wala pa rin tubo. Pero on the 5th year ng plant, ng Moso Bamboo, every week, 15 feet. Kasi for the past 4 years, yung roots niya bumabaon. Eh, ano yung nilalagay niya dito foundation? May ginawa ka naman foundation dito. Yung mga girls, bago pa naglalagay makeup, ano nilalagay mo? O, ba't alam mo? Sabi ko mga girls. Sabi ko mga girls, di ba? Foundation, because without foundation, nothing sticks, di ba? Pero ngayon, high-tech na eh, kahit wala foundation, dumidikit na talaga yung mga makeup. Hindi, nagtatry ako pag Halloween party. Ayun naman, no? Oo. Pag Halloween party, di ba, may makeup, yung mga nakakatakot. Every year eh, di ba? October 31. So yung foundation, it takes time. Diba? And kayo mag-build ng foundation, hindi ako. Kaya pa sinasabi lagi, trading is not something that you could teach. Diba? Trading is something that you learn on your own. I could just open the door, bigyan kayo ng notes, diba? Share my experience, bigyan kayo ng simple rules to follow, but still, ikaw mag-execute nun. Diba? Kahit bigyan kita ng sakyan, kung hindi ka mag-drive, tapos hindi mo dinadrive, hindi ka rin matututo. Diba? You still have to put in the time, the foundation, para ma-build mo yung sarili mo to become a profitable trader. So it's not about being the best. Diba? Kasi marami pag pumapasok trading, gusto ko maging the best trader in the whole world. Diba? That's ego-based. Remember, hindi ka naman nagpunta dito para magpagalingan. Diba? You're here, diba? To make money. And how will you achieve that? It's about consistency, discipline, and patience. Matira ang mayaman. Matitira mayaman. Paano ka matitira? Kapag pinag-aaral mabuti, setting the foundation, di ba? Building yourself up, studying every lesson, brainstorming with your group, with the leaders, then eventually you will succeed. Are you guys learning?
Yes.
So, ganyan siya. Diba? That's about, kaya diba yung mga lawyers, doctors, mga engineers, they spend, diba nga, ang tagal, years studying just to land a 6-digit income job. Tapos, kayo, you're expecting na, uy, yumaman sana ako this month agad. Never gonna happen. Pero ito kagandahan, diba? Sino natalo dito? Sa demo? Yung malaki, diba? Malaki talo. Ito isipin nyo. If ang isang tao na hindi marunong mag-trade, kaya manalo ng ganung kalaki, ay matalo ganung kalaki, di ba? What if magaling ka? Kabaligtaran ang nangyayari. Pwede mo rin siyang may develop yung skill mo. Nakabaligtaran ang nangyayari. Imbis na malaki na natatalo, malaki ang manalo. Pag na-develop mo yung skill mo. Okay guys, learning? Bukas hindi ko na ito di-discuss, nakakapagod. Kwento nyo na lang sa kanila. I-upload ko na lang yung video. The market will teach you whatever lesson you need to learn every time you take a trade. Whenever katulad yan, di ba, hindi na hit take profit, now you know what to do. Adjust mo konti. Okay? O kaya hindi na hit pending order, you know what to do. Adjust konti. Huh? Each trade is a reflection of the trader. Sinabi ko na rin kanina. The market doesn't care what you think. It will do what it wants to do regardless if you're right or wrong. Tama? Gagawin niya pa rin yung gagawin niya eh. Kahit na tama analysis mo o mali. Diba? The important thing is, you followed your rules. So check your ego out the door. Murshin, you don't think about winning or losing. You think about following the rules. Easier said than done, di ba? Kaya nga, yung kinatawag natin, love thy neighbor as you love thyself. In theory, madali. Pero pag yung friend mo, di ba, hindi nagbayad ng utang? O kaya yung best friend mo, inagaw yung girlfriend mo. O kaya ninakawan ka. Can you still practice that? Di ba? Pero you can if you want to. Di ba? It's about your programming nga. If you could control yourself, diba? Yung theory na sinasabi sa Bible, magiging practice na maisasabuhay mo siya. Na kahit na ginagawa ka na sobrang sama ng mga kakilala mo, diba? Still, you're still loving them. Parang, hindi tama yan. Diba? Sabi ng logical mind mo. O kaya emotions mo pala. Madalas yung emotions din ang control ng tao eh. Yung mind kasi madaling control pero yung emotions hindi. Kaya, lagi akong nag-encourage ng mga tao na not so much na in intellectual understanding dapat ng research mo. It's about emotional understanding para ma-govern emotions mo. Kasi kahit na every week ka mag-church, basahin mo yun, if hindi mo napapractice sa feelings mo, hindi mo pa rin mapuput into practice. That's why either you control your feelings or your feelings will control you. Mushin. I fear not the man who has practiced 10,000 kicks once, but I fear the man who has practiced one kick 10,000 times. How many trades na nagawa nyo? May 10,000 na ba? That's why nag-stick lang tayo sa DC. You have to master it. Papalakasin natin yung mga muscles sa legs sa kakasipa. Pero this one is yung, yung pang-click mo. Kaya tingnan yung yung mga ibang mga traders, tingnan yung finger nila dito. Medyo malaki compared sa isa. Medyo, 10,000 times, dami ng click. Sobrang dami. Katulad na sinabi ko dati, di ba? Forced flowers have no fragrance. Forced fruit will lose its taste. So never ever rush yung pagiging successful nyo, pagkita nyo agad. Diba? It takes some time. Diba? Yung plant takes some time to grow. Ito na lang. Diba? Kapag nabuntis ang isang mom, ilang months? Tanong mo. Sorry naman. Sa inyo. 9 months, diba? May time na mag-germinate yun, diba? May time na mag-grow. Same as trading. Hindi naman yun, diba? Na-delay lang, bukas, manganak na. Hindi naman. Grabe naman yun. So, ganun din sa trading, it takes some time. Diba? Kung nga yung baby, 9 months bago lumabas, diba? Eh, sa tingin mo, diba? Kailangan mo rin ng enough time, weeks, months, minsan, or years, depende sa talino mo. So, bilis mo mag-gets mga lessons. Diba? And sa, of course, sa time na in-exert mong effort doon.